in this country.
Tukiogelea sasa ni kwamba mashindano ya kitaifa ya kuogelea yaliingia siku yake ya mwisho na kabisa Jumapili, huku zaidi ya waogeleaji 300 kutoka kote nchini na mataifa jirani wakishiriki katika vitengo tofauti. Mashindano haya yatatumika kusaka kikosi cha taifa kitakachowakilisha Kenya katika mashindano makuu yakiwemo yale ya Jumuiya ya Madola yatakayoandaliwa jijini Glasgow, Uskoti, Julai 23 hadi Agosti 2 mwaka huu.
Today was really tough. There's a lot of competition, but overall I love the competition, and I think the biggest challenge so far is the pressure of competing with this new competition, especially in my age group.
My turns are good, my pulling was good, everything adjusting. Today I went a lot faster than yesterday, and now at least I know like what I need to work on for the next competition for me to even be better.
Today was really good. I was doing the 200 freestyle and 100 fly. Generally, I liked the toughness because it was pushing me to get my times.
For the Commonwealth Games, we are looking at having at least 8 swimmers because it depends on the quota that every federation is given. And we are looking at having, let's say, 4 boys, 4 male and 4 female for that event, for the Commonwealth Games. For the Africa Championships, it is much more open. We can take a bigger team, but we're looking at trying to take a junior team of 30 swimmers, a senior team of 30 swimmers, and also the masters 30 swimmers.
Haya,